Landinduku umzuluke lo. Umzuluke lo.
Don't kill him, my brother. Leave him.
Yo. Yo. He's cheating here. If you're looking for the score, there it is. There's the score there.
I mean, I just want to interview you guys.
And touch your mommy.
Yeah, interview
And then who are you?
Watch out, boy.
Who am I?
Yeah, when?
You say when you ask me who am I have a lot of things to explain to you, my brother. I'm a man who is a man of no man. In no man's world. My sister, I'm still just a interview just between the couple.
What does he think he is?
How much do you trust him?
My God.
How long have you been dating?
It's about 5 years now.
5 years now.
Ngiyamthemba kakhulu futhi. Yeah,
My
I trust him.
okay. My brother.
Yeah. Njobesho nje 5 years.
So you do. How did you get her? Phela she's hot.
Sitshela
ukuthi umthole kanjani.
Umuntu
Ayisibonise. Sitshela umuthole kanjani.
No sahlangana e-mall naye. Sahlangana e-mall yabo like yeah.
You were doing shopping, my sister.
Shopping sahlangana ngambuza igama lakhe.
Shoe striker.
Saw. Wow, umuntu right nje ngabona ukuthi ayi umfazi lo.
She's a wife. if possibly, my brother, you didn't come before me, because you came before me, I was gonna like go ahead to her and also in the mall. If I saw her in the mall, my sister, I'm telling you. I'm late, my sister, late. No, don't be late, my brother. Let me see. What is your tattoo written? What is tattoo ya? Beraya minja ya mpek. Ako istukales. I'm kidding, my brother. What's your name?
My name is
Not kidding, dog.
Temba.
I'll let you know.
Why?
Not kidding.
It feels like you're thinking your name.
No.
What
is in
Temba?
Like in Fetu.
You know the Temba that I knew in Johannesburg? He used to scam people phones. I'm sorry, Temba. I used to stay with him. I might post this picture. He used to. My brother, you know what he's doing? He's on Facebook. He posts his
Satsana my notes. Nice hard hustle.
His phone catalog. Beg, my brother. I know I want to give.
Who the fuck is this guy? Go bitch, let me.
Angimthanda ngasame day hlangana naye but ukuhamba kwesikhathi nje
my sister, you are good. You see, angimthanda ngasame day. Women are like that. Let's ask Kulmeni things. Our fathers was stand at the beginning.
Yeah.
I was standing more. See, now we love them. At the end, they love us.
Yeah.
We don't love us, or we don't love them. There's no like. Do you guys have kids?
Yeah.
When I in your life, my sister, you don't have a kid.
She's not wearing a ring.
We
are planning.
I'm here to interrupt the plans.
My brother, just make sure you are planning with the right person. Because people, my sister, we you know, sex is a reproduction. Like sperm and egg meeting. But I don't understand why other people are talking a lot out there. If a sperm and egg, they had to meet and someone made an abortion. And now me, I'm the problem because she can't have a kid with someone like me. Now, where do I enter, my brother? This is reproduction. Am I lying, my sister? Yeah. It's a reproduction in egg and sperm. Yeah. Why do you care? And my sperm, why do you care about? You guys care about my sperms like that? Sorry, my brother. So interview I got paid. On a scale of 10, how much do you trust there?
10 out of 10.
You give it a 10 out of 10. Yes. On a scale of 10, my sister, how much do you trust?
Hey, my sister's dangerous, dog. She has the spongo, dog. You know what they say about the ladies with spongo, boy.
Maybe more than 10.
The head game's operating on a different
level.
You
got yourself a lovely woman here, my brother. I want you guys to exchange phone for 60 seconds. It's the next part of the interview. We're pushing it more, you know. So again, phones for 60 seconds.
Don't share it, my sister.
Why?
So we can see if you are not cheating on
Sinika
her.
wena phone noma.
No, you can give her. I'm going to show you exchange with it's exchange couple exchange.
Ifoni
Exchange.
yami akayithinta endlini.
Yo,
Savumelana futhi ngalokho.
Lalela.
I need
I
to
think the phone up. Are you cheating on her, my sister?
No, I'm not cheating.
You can't be cheating beautiful like this, my
Angikwazi.
sister. You can't be shared by the world beautiful like this.
Cheat, akangichitheli, angimchitheli.
But okay,
No,
do you mind?
Lalela.
Uyachaza.
Amafoni asiwashintshi. Uyazi naye
My
ifoni.
brother, you know, lalela.
No, umthetho wasendlini.
Mthetho wasendlini is
My
crazy
language
though.
is what? Eat for tomorrow. Lalela. Eat for
Angithi
tomorrow.
ngitshela umthetho nami wasendlini yami ukuthi vele akayithinta ifoni yami nami angiyithinta ifoni yami umuntu uhlala ifoni yami. Ngoba
Mara, my sister.
Yazi
Mara, why
senzelani?
you wanna hlala with your phone?
no, yazi
For
senzelani.
a
what-
peace,
what-
sake of a peace.
So you think it's cheating on you?
No, I'm not thinking.
I understand the peace, but do you think it's cheating on you?
For a sake of a peace.
Asiyenzi leyo nto.
My
Don't
brother,
do
beg. You don't need to
Asambe
leave.
love.
My sister, what if he's cheating on you? Tell a man.
Ngiyamthemba kangijitheli. Ngayenza
Don't-
leyo.
Ask him if he minds. Do you mind, brother?
Siwashintsha.
Do you mind?
Ngiyaminda vele.
Yabo? Yeah, cheat. Do you mind?
Hayi.
Let's say
Ngicela
siyangena efonini
Ngicela
yakho, my
siwashintshe.
sister. Wait.
Ah,
no,
yatatazela
change.
my brother.
I won. My sister.
Ngiyibona.
Okay, yeah. You see, let's say when you don't mind with
Cela
your phone.
ukuyishintsha.
Our mind is ngena efonini yakho.
Ma,
okay?
No, I don't mind ukuthi
Oh.
ungene efonini
If
yami.
my brother's cheating, Joseph must kiss him. I think we can agree on that. Asivumelane.
Ima uzoshintsha naye ifoni yakho ni yakho hayi ya.
No.
Okay,
uzoshintsha
let's-
awethu so
my
angeke
sister-
sinika
No,
phula.
hhayi,
Lo
hhayi,
ufika kamuva la.
So when I phone my brother
Hayi,
phone yakho.
ngicela sambe mfethu, ngicela sambe.
So when I phone
Vele
your phone.
ngifuna.
Okay, my sister, let me
Babe, wena
let me have
othe
your phone.
asimila for
I wanna-
interview lo muntu
Yeah.
sokuthi sihambela wathi asimile. Manje mase
manje
Mara yangena phone ayisha
phela
ngiyena.
ngithi manje uyasho manje ukuthi ifoni
You don't want.
sekuyiphathi ye
Phela is
interview.
part of the interview.
Ngicela ukuthi
It's the most
simnikeze.
important one. If you trust her, you said you trust her.
Babe,
Eyobamba ikhanda.
futhi khona ngifihlela kona ke
Ah,
phela mengaba
wafihlela, my
kunje.
sister.
No,
Wafihlela. Yambona stressa
Are you hiding
kanjani?
something?
Why is he stressing?
Yo,
Why
let's go.
stress?
Let's pummela.
Julu ke phandle
Oh, no.
ndodini. Baby was. Baby
But
was.
I ask my sister, don't delete them.
Cha
Open the-
nginyuselilo i-light khona
Okay.
ngizobona because siselangeni angithi.
Okay, thank you.
Using
my
an
sister.
iPhone, this one. I
Why not do you
suspect.
mind, my brother? Your phone up.
Nah, yes, it's a Samsung.
Give us the
manje
phone.
babe awusho.
Telephone.
Usuhamba unikeza abantu manje uyamazi lo muntu.
My sister.
Baby here we
Uyamazi.
sizama ukwenza
Uyamazi.
no angimazi.
Bega, my
Angithi
sister.
sihlangana naye la
After
wavuma futhi
after
wena
check my
kahle.
phone, my sister, ne? If it's
Eh.
not cheating, a relationship yenu ever stronger.
Yes, it's going stronger.
It's
Keep
therapy.
Hold it, my sister.
Let's
Give
go.
your woman. Ankara,
Eqala
you
ngibamba
don't
ifoni
want it.
yakhe nkosi yami.
Open it, my sister. Open yours. Leave me alone, brother. Ucala insizwa nje. Uyashake, my man. Why are you shaking? Are you okay, sir? If you are not okay, I have cold drink that's black in the car there. It might make your heart white. I don't know how, but hey, if you are,
I'm not gonna lie, Joseph, that is logic has to be studied, boy. Because I don't know where he gets it. I don't know.
I don't know. I'm not the
It has to be
hospital.
studied.
We don't care.
You need hospital if you are Tatazeli, man. Even Tatazeli people are there. So I'm searching your phone, my sister, okay?
Alright.
Okay. Okay.
Now.
Search ke WhatsApp.
now.
Qala kephi?
Yes, call WhatsApp. Masteta WhatsApp. So I don't. Do you use Facebook?
Yeah, do we have Facebook, Instagram?
Sorry. I'm quiet. I'm looking at my sister's head, dog. Explain to me. I'm a braids. Isn't it supposed to be like looking like ropes, dog? Instead, like when I'm gonna it's like hair what? It's the hair. It's just the hair, dog. It's not
Do we
braided.
have Facebook, Instagram?
Look at that.
Messenger.
TikTok. Yeah, we do have Messenger.
Do you
Brother.
think guys cheat on? Yeah, you guys cheat on. I have DMs on TikTok where you guys wanna take me out.
Ngempela ubambisene.
Take me out.
Ngempela ubambisene.
Take me out.
Baby,
open. Oh, it's fine, my sister. It's fine. It's
just
open.
Just
checking. Okay, now someone just said I phone now.
Phela ngithi manje sivele manje ithuba fanele ngenze njani angithi awukwazi uvume vele endlini sisabeka umthetho ukuthi ifoni
seizing the opportunity.
Manje we are putting the mthetho upside down, mama.
Ivelile ke manje ithuba fanele senze njani?
Miss, my sister, you can't miss this chance.
Ngeke ngikwazi ukumisa.
Okay. Think about it. uNkulunkulu uyeza wena uyamisa.
Imana.
Think about it. See, the God is here.
Yeah, boy. She wants the relationship to break. This one.
Awu baby wasukudina kangaka kanti?
Mara, she's not lying, my brother. You know bangibiza bani. Uthe ngubani. But I'm God of YouTube in Johannesburg. Even in Durban, I'm the same guy. Cape Town, the same guy. Limpopo, the same I'm searching. Sorry, my brother. Don't.
Hey, Uzulu boy.
I see
the Zulu
you.
level don't play.
When I phone yakho ne. Mangafuni ukuthi usho ukuthi uyacheat. Yeah, uyafuna.
Ngikhiphile uzobona nami ukuthi I have nothing to hide on you.
I'm searching my sister. I don't find anything. I search pregnancy nudes. I don't find anything. See? You don't find anything.
My brother's disappointed.
Wami nje ngithi ngiyakutshela asicheat.
Oh, it's fine, my brother. I just want to check.
Asicheat and ngiproud
no results in the chat or
yes.
contact. We searched what at the top?
Nudes. Ngiyabona.
Manje nangu uveli my brother. Boy. Kisa bekuvela wena.
Ngithi yimi umuntu wakhe ehlezi mina ngihlala naye lo muntu.
So akakusendeli vele. My sister, don't do that thing.
Uyabona live.
Yeah. I can see, yes, to see them live, and I'm sure when you are looking at it at a nice eye, say 3D, yeah, some yellow cheesy things, yeah, my brother.
Baby chill.
Pella, it's not just my man. A lot of men don't eat cheese out there. When I eat it, yeah, I'm searching. Brother, I'm searching. Can you please relax on my body, please? Can you search the pictures? I searched everything. I didn't find anything. Can you open his phone, sir? My brother, can you open your phone? Okay.
Yeah,
open your
phone.
Yeah, but open your phone. Where does it? Yeah, open your phone. So my sister, you guys what are you doing? What are you doing? So my sister, you're gonna get married anytime soon. Can you open the finger here? Put the finger.
Which fingerprint is on top? What's happening, man?
We are tatela. What tatas? Oh, Sega take Tembesile. Oh, nice one, my sister. Like Tembi said, Tembi said.
Oh no! You see the phone, dog. I'm shaking on another level.
Where are you going? Let's go to him. Let's go to him, bro. Let's go to her. Where are you going? Where are you going? Where are you going? Where are you going? Okay.
He's never getting those chicks again, boy. Shy.
Awukwazi ukuthi sihamba nomuntu wami mfethu vele uzosimisa nje usesha amafoni usese mina ngiyindoda yomzulu mina mfethu indaba zabo zokuseshana namafoni
imali xa indoda yomzulu manje indoda yomzulu ikanjani mina ngazi wena
awumazi
angazi ukuthi manje usomtshenda abantu zomzulu sokuthi khona okufihlayo phela mina
abantu laba bazosesha amafoni
my sister, there's a woman by Mam Hlongo. Who's this, my brother? Who's Mam Hlongo? Who's Mam Hlongo here? Look, I love you more.
I love you abangaka.
Look, this is Mam Hlongo.
And bayathetha
They're always there on it.
Yo, my brother.
No, recently.
Let me search more, my sister. Kuna Mam Hlongo and kuna Sandwich. Yeah, and Mam Hlongo. Who's Sandwich, my man, and who's Mam Hlongo?
Angibazi.
All of a sudden his nails got interesting.
Niyakukhuluma nabo lana nabo I love you sobonana nini.
Lalela ngitshele. Wena wazi konke lokho.
Manje nizobonana kanjani into sefonini yakho lena like really?
Nangu umuntu ofika wathatha ifoni yami indaba ungabuzi kuyena zonke.
Ubani usang okay. You want ufuna ukuthi abuze kimi.
Azange type yena la kule phone ba utype la kule phone.
Nangu umuntu othatha.
Usho sama contacts ke njengoba efikile ke la wazokhuluma indaba zamalo. Ama contacts afaka uyena la awakho. Awakhe yini? Angithi phone yakhe ivulwa uwena manje. Ubani umhlongo?
No, like she can't advise this.
Who's Sangwage?
Man, my brother, we're still searching the phone.
Who is
Who's
Sangwage? Uba Sangwage.
You chopping the sandwich.
Like really? Uba umamhlongo kade nibonana naye izolo futhi because lelo uhamba nami uzo.
Wait, my sister, back, my sister. This is isangoma back. Umsendela lesangoma umsendela nemali back.
Mina mfethu njengoba ngisathi indoda
lalela. Wait, my brother, your woman is
lalela.
Ngicela kwenza ikhanda kwena izolo.
Is your woman isangoma?
Ngale kwayithanga ngimcela
Ngiyayidinga le mali ekhanda bhuti wami.
Ngoma ngiyasazi ngiyavuma. Yes. Lalela akuyona imidi yami. Isangoma engisambayo.
So why are you sending her?
Isangoma engisambayo manje.
Why isangoma? Okay, wait, my sister. I understand. Mina
my sister uzovukela amadlozi ke manje my sister ke. I don't even want to do anything to disrespect other people's culture. I want to do something I can care.
Ngicela umfazi vele ukuthi mina ngiyenyangeni.
Okay, fine my brother. So inyanga yakho isendela wena mali. Okay, wait. Inyanga yakho isendela wena mali.
Kwakusela ushintsho.
Okay, it's fine.
Kwakusela ushintsho.
Ushintsho ngaka.
So isangoma yakho ethi siyakuthanda.
Awuthanga imali engaka.
Wena nayo uyajola. My sister, look. This is sex.
Oh.
No.
You wanna leave your phone? You wanna leave your phone back now? The same sangoma na sandwich sex. Yabo.
Ha. Imake nikhuluma ngokulala nesangoma.
Unamanga. And the
nikhendla kuni.
Ufune ngefoni yami ke.
Ngakunika ifoni yakho nayo. So your phone. My sister, now 30 phone, search more if you want. Search pregnancy. You can come this side, my sister. Me, best believe that I don't think you want him anymore. You still wanna be with him? Can we have his phone? Which phone? This is your phone. Okay.
Small girl.
What's your name, my sister? It's a small girl.
Oh boy.
Asam.
My sister, what are you gonna do with him?
Ubesona nokuthi ukhulelwe.
Let me see. My brother, don't fight her, please. Give him the phone, my sister. We don't want him to fight us. Give him the phone. Don't fight him. What did I do? I don't know you, but why are you cheating on her? Why do you want to fight me? Why do you want to... My sister
just pray, my sister.
Game.
Some girls are literally professional cheaters. Literally. They're literally professional cheaters out here, dog.
Lalela.
Kwenzakalani lesangoma sakho vele uqale
ukuthola naso. Ujole na lesangoma for.
Isangoma nemithi.
Man, you are a real man.
Awukazi ungibone mina ngifaka imithi endlini, awukazi ungibone.
Be honest, brother.
Mfethu. Yambona lo muntu lo. Yabona njoba unje ima wo. Yabona njoba enje lo muntu lo. Enje njoba umbona.
Beautiful.
Muhle. Yes, ugqoke kahle lezi impahla ziyabiza. Ngimthengela ngemali yami, yes. Yima wo.
Njengoba unqabile nemali ekhanda.
Awuthule.
Hawu. Kade ufake isangoma wena manje. Mina kade ngicela imali ekhanda wanqaba.
Ngiyasebenza mina through isangoma, yes. Mina mfethu nginemali, yezwa through isangoma ngimthengela impahla. Ngenza yonke into mina, ngimenzela yonke into. Ngimenzela yonke into lo muntu, yes. Through isangoma.
You know what?
Manje. No.
Excuse yakhe. It's kind of cooking.
What is his end point?
It's kind of cooking.
So man, that means you don't care if she leaves you because you can get any other girl through isangoma.
Hayi, lo muntu ngeke ngimshiye lo.
Isangoma sakho. Isangoma sakho sizokuzingenzeni. Isangoma ziyaloya angifu. Zazi imithi yezulu.
Isangoma sakho siyazi ukuthi ujola naye.
Siyazi.
Yabona njengoba uyangazi nokungazi uzokuthatha isombe zami lo muntu ayifake lapha emakhandleni nasemphepheni lana athini.
Phela kuyona le ndlela. Kuyona le ndlela osho ngabo.
Manje, what am I saying? What did I do? I don't want to fight you, brother. I'm.
You don't want to fight me. What manje?
Do you care about
We are going to
losing her? Do you care about
We are
losing
going to
her? Don't fight me.
We are going to
Do you care about losing her?
I'm not losing her.
Uyangiluza ke.
You are losing in my sister, ne?
No ngeke ngikwazi ngaqhubeka kanjani nomuntu okuyena ozosibethela amaloyo.
Leave him, my sister.
Hayibo, leave him.
Let me get ready, dog. I wanna be next.
Why? Leave me, Evan.
From namhlanje mina nawe.
Don't touch her, my brother. She doesn't want you to touch her.
No.
Manje, mina I don't wanna fight you, brother. Why do you wanna fight me? Fight you. I don't know. Me, I wanna fight you. My sister, I don't want him. What do I have to do with it? My sister, when I'm Shia.
Yo.
Leave her, my man. She doesn't want you.
Look at him. Champile ke manje boy. Uyabona.
Okay, my sister, my sister, can I have your numbers? Can I have your numbers, my sister?
Shy.
You're giving us. Leave her. Don't. My sister, can I have your numbers?
Sangom's gonna be working tonight. He's gonna be working tonight.
Why do you wanna face me now? Leave me. Don't fight me. Let me give you my numbers, my sister, because I don't wanna be here with him. I don't wanna talk to him. Leave me alone.
Landindu kumzuluke lo. Umzuluke lo.
Man, why are you playing now? Why are you playing now? So now we gotta do it. We can do it. You wanna do the Nkanda thing? We gotta do it. We can do it. My sister.
Ngizosayida nabo impela wena ngeke uzungishisele nginesangoma ngazi ngani mina ukuthi mhlambe kwayilezi ikhove ekhala phezulu kwendlu mhlambe
angisela kuma number my sister.
Hawu ngizoyifaka nje impela shame.
Okay,
let me. Hawu ngeke.
When I can watch my brother. I can when you love being watching us.
Uzogiza ngiyabona nje.
So you done with him? Ne?
Yeah, I'm done.
Uthatha intombi yami ke manje.
Yeah, singayithatha ngisho nawe ufuna ukuthi usinikeze yena mos. How did that you gave angisho usinikeze wena my sister.
Uyena uthi angisho senabantu ziyangipha bona.
You see how you are acting. You see bathi hamba nesangoma sami. Wena unginikeze yena ngiyabonga bhuti wami. My name is Goat.
Ushilo uthi ubani?
My sister angisho
yes ngiyasala.
Uyathi impahla zami usale.
Ubani?
Impahla zami usale.
Hayibo, uyamkhumula.
Come here, my sister.
The last kick of a dying horse, boys.
My sister, come closer. Don't even go to him. Because now he wants to, I don't know if he wants to take you clothes. When I'm a brother, you gave us to...
Take care of her. Yenza yonke into
Back. Come. Back.
Ngoba manje
thank you.
Wena uthathekile kuyona yonke indawo.
My sister, uthemba umuntu, uthemba wena. Kube enye nje ilimi engibenzile nje ngingakasinanga.
Sangoma zooming up right now, dog.
She's
gonna know.
She's gonna know. Ever he doesn't trust while he's still here. So my brother, why are you not gonna watch us kiss? Because I'm sure you gave me.
Guys, I'm just joking.
Hey, you don't believe.
I'm joking.
You are in disbelief.
Calm down.
We just want to show you that she can move on now while you are here. We can kiss in front of you. Don't trust it. You can come closer.
You're pushing it, my boy.
You can come this side.
Are you pushing it, boy?
Let's go there. In front of his eyes. I think his eyes need to see it. Or you don't believe it, brother. Now you are saying, oh, live. Maybe. My sister, can we kiss in front of him and see what he's gonna do? Do you mind?
Kiss when?
Yeah, in front of him.
Look at that smile,
He
Joseph.
wants to see. You see, he's waiting for the sea. Aye.
You know what? This kiss is for that sangoma.
Okay.
Yo.
Mm.
Yo.
What do you want?
The fact that she even went back for his shy. He's shy, dog. Hey, Bodyguard is working overtime there.
Leave him. Don't kill him, my brother. Leave him. He can't fight. He can't fight. Let us
I'm
kill
not
him.
gonna lie though, that's all I lost, dog. Listen to him.
Don't kill him, my brother. Leave him.
I lost order,
He can't
dog.
fight.
Second tunes.
He can't fight. Let us give him. You wanna see another kiss, my brother? We can do it again in front of you. Angibambe njalo.
Jump soon.
Okay.
Hey, but they say we can't blame the brew, dog.
Futhi ngiyakwazi wena ngizokubamba.
Sharp.
Cha.
Sharp.
Oh, uthembi. Kodwa lile
Yeah.
la kumina uhamba wedwa mfana ngusana.
I will even take
Camera
it with
just
my
died,
card.
but it's
You
calm.
believe it?
It's calm vibes. Gonna keep it running.
I'm my sister. Me, I'm serious, Pella. I'm not playing. I want your numbers.
Joseph.
Like I want us to go out. Do you mind?
Man, it's supposed to be me next.
Wathi ndokuthemba amadoda ke nje kwamanje.
Oh, Nami, you did it just to hurt him.
It's not like I did to just to hurt him.
Hurt him
I
more,
said
babe.
one kiss for a sangoma.
Oh, did you like it? For the sangoma. I'm sorry, my sister. But me, I wanna take you out. Do you mind if I take you out?
Uzongithatha out.
Yeah, take you out.
Sase siqedela ke indlela because vele ubekade ngikhipha besingaqedi nanokuhamba
For
besingafika
the
la
streets,
besiya
dog.
khona.
Okay.
But
You
nje usuku
can,
lami
Beka mshanga epani manje. Kodwa ngoba sekukhulunywa ngabo out, sekuyashintsha.
you can get inside
for the
on the
streets,
left
though.
there. I just wanna finish my video, okay? Okay. Do what you do. I'm gonna keep on doing
Rain the card, it says it's new healing. It's very up and above. It said thank you for tuning in. We'll see you in the next episode. We are investigating who cheats the most in South Africa. And it's not looking too good for the boys right now. It's looking really bad. It's cheating in South Africa. We'll see you guys later. Peace out.